for my loss, his life a gamble. We no need dice, them only chew a share. But on them shot, don't take them 3 points.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, special welcome to those who are watching on Instagram or Facebook.
Ever since my nigga died, I've been talking to the sky. Mama say don't question God, but I got questions and I gotta know why.
The dancehall fraternity, along with fans, react to the passing of Mavado's mother. Murder sentencing of Mavado's son, Dante Brook, has been pushed back to March 19. And Dovey Magnum diss Iwaata mistakenly. We're going to talk about all of that and more coming up.
Learn for come my loss, his life a gamble. We no need dice, them only chew a share. But on them shot, don't take them 3 points.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy More TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy More. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, the song I played in the intro is from an artist called Casper. And the song is entitled My Block featuring Adv. Now people, this is a very, very bad song, but yet it's different because it's kind of a rap type, trap type vibe mixed with dancehall. Now, this song is going to be the featured song of the review, and we are going to talk about this song more in the review. So make sure you stay tuned.
Mama, me never, ever left you out.
Mavado mother, Miss Penny, has died, and son Dante Brooks to be sentenced on March 19. The mother of dancehall artist Mavado, Elizabeth Miss Penny Garden, died suddenly at hospital in Kingston last night, while the sentencing of his son Dante Brooks has been postponed to March 19 after he was convicted for murder earlier this year. It was sudden, she wasn't sick. So right now, this kind of sudden. So the whole of cassava piece feel it. People are gonna miss. Miss Penny is a woman everybody love, said a source close to the family. 3 years ago, Mavado released a tribute song, Mama, on the J.A. Productions Lighthouse Rhythm. To his mother, where he sang, Me never left you in the boardhouse, Panny Gully, me take you out.
Me never left you in the boardhouse, Panny Gully, me take you out.
It's rough for Mavado. I'm glad to see the entertainment industry a rally around Mavado. Mackenzie Frost says something about it. Sprague Benz says something about it. Billboard selector Boom Boom said something about it. And Charlie Blacks. You know, everybody have good things to say, whether it's words of encouragement or if it's simple, a prayer emoji. More have to say, rest in peace, Miss Penny. And it's so ironic because Miss Penny died the same day her grandson was to be sentenced. But the court have to push back the sentence a little bit. So this is why the sentencing was pushed back to March 19. Dante Brooks was scheduled to be sentenced in the Home Circuit Court today. But it was pushed back after his attorney, Peter Champagne, asked for a postponement, after indicating that he need more time to pursue the social inquiry report, which was served on him this morning, and the prosecution to make adjustment to the victim impact statement. Now people, what does that mean? The purpose of a social inquiry report is to assist the court with sentencing by providing an impartial or professional assessment of the nature and the causes of the defendant's relevant background, offending behavior, the risk of re-offending, and the intervention necessary to reduce that risk. So basically, what them are gonna do is probably go around in the community and ask around and, you know, try to build a profile at what type of person he is, and then kind of assess it and see how much years him forget, because they don't want give him, let's say, 5 years and then him come out of jail and end up back in there. So them have to do all of them assessment there before them can come to a amicable solution or amicable sentencing. So my condolences goes out to Mavado and his entire family, and my best wishes goes out to Dante Brook.
People chat and not know things how it go. Just know very soon that you're coming home.
Wish me little son could have see and understand. No for them would love to see your father and wife.
There's so much pain I hold inside. Wish I could see him one more time, just to tell my nigga goodbye.
It come like every single day, some drama come out in the media about police. Now the police, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, is seeking the public assistance in locating this man who has been identified as Ricardo Richards, otherwise called Kaka. Kaka fat. He disarmed a policeman of his firearm and shot him before escaping at the National Chest Hospital after he was taken there for treatment. Jano. Yo, every day me I read them posts here, me I see something where I go on with the police, and the police system just come like one big joke to Kaka fat. So people, if you know this man or can locate him, I don't know, you just, assist the police if possible. But I don't know, star. Jamaica police just come like one big joke now. Just one big joke. Everybody take them for Papi show. But make a move on.
Headshot them dead back when I report to the feds. Casper no friend, nigga was you know yourself.
So people, you know what's my name Chaddy TV, and I cannot end the vlog like this without a little mix up, without a little drama, without a little So Dovey Magnum dep on the internet, right? I don't sure of the post in which she commented under. But you know say Dovey Magnum and Iwaata them good. Because all of them kinda, we not say them a cheer for that side eh. But Dovey Magnum, Iwaata, Intense, all of them good. Me also share comment over Alkaline Daily page and them thing there. So all of them good. You get what me I say? So Iwaata apparently comment under a post, and the way Iwaata comment the post, she not like the post there. But Dovey Magnum just use eager and everything and jump go screenshot and post back on FR page and them thing there. If she did look closely, should I realize that is not Iwaata page. Should I realize that is a fake page. That page a knock off like over China. Now, Dovey Magnum just use impulse like a long time she have up Iwaata and she want to tell Iwaata some things. Or she hear Iwaata them a make talk and she just feel like a perfect time or so. Because normally when somebody make a post where you don't like, you just look on the post and look on the profile to make sure it's that person and it's not a fake page. Now Dovey Magnum jump gonna screenshot it and post it back on FR page. I don't know if a who link her, probably I want her friend them link her, and I said, Dovey, you know, see a 3A in the Iwaata there. The Iwaata then knock off, and then probably she delete it. But that for sure you say, I feel, in my opinion, in Chaddy TV opinion, she must have pre-Iwaata long time. And people, when you see it on the screen, me never go read the thing them where she tell Iwaata. Or about her behind wall. Jano star. Some things will come out of Dovey mouth sometime. Or me should say some things were in her head. I don't know. But people, put it in the comment section and let me know what you think about this, what we discuss. Alright?
I haven't sleep this night. I see my dead homies. I can't sleep at night. I pour a four inside a deuce and then proceed to write.
We reach that point where we are going to talk about the song when me a play right through the vlog. We're not supposed to get used to it now. We're not supposed to can decide if we like the song or not. So, as I said earlier on, the song is by Casper and Adv and it's entitled My Block. This song is fused with dancehall, hip-hop and trap. You can call it so? Yeah, dancehall, hip-hop, trap. And I like the vibes to this song. This song is all about my block, as it suggests. He might talk about the niggas them when they drop out earlier on run a one part over one part. He might talk about them struggles with go on pan Fame Black. And then you know say Adv come mad it up. He might make you know say pan Fame Black you can't trust no tint up teether. A matter of fact, no trust no car, nobody no shadow after dark. Parfum black, grimy. Parfum black, dopey we flick for less than a penny.
Gun money in your place, leather gloves, no evidence. Papa any no drink any spill, shabba sleep well, G.
So if you like the vibes, which me know you like the vibes, just go on, go click the link in the description or in the comment section, it will be pinned. Click it, go over there, show the artist some support and make them know say a Chaddy Murray TV send you over there. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.